because of my video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore any noise you hear. My kids are going at it again. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and great. So I just want to start off this vlog, and I'll see you guys as the video goes. Okay, bye.
People will not just stop. They say she should come and bed. She now remove her clothes. She just play with that drawing.
Go and tell her to stop misbehaving. Hi guys, good morning. Say hello guys.
Hello, guys.
We're going out. I'm on aunty duties today. Today is Children's Day, so happy Children's Day to my babies. Only Eliora is not here, she's at school. We're going out and we're going to check out a new makeup store. We'll see you guys later, okay? Bye.
Bye. Just got here. How can I be tired?
Right? Zoma, how can you be tired? You just got here. Gimsey, let me see your face. Hey. Guys, I just got here after turning around the whole of Abuja. I was using map. What this map can do to somebody, map will tell you you've gotten to your destination. When you stop, it will not tell you go like this, go like this. That's how I was not turning around, I'm turning around though. But at least I finally got here.
Well, at least, or maybe you can send a message. I doubt you will call. My husband that called. Thank you. Alright, thanks, my love. I appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, bye. I'll look for money and design a flight.
Yes.
So much. Okay, I'll send it now. Abby, help.
Who sat down first? Who's on my house? Who's on my house? Oh yeah, stand up. Zaza, remove one chair. Remove the blue chair. The green one is more sturdy. Oh yeah. Are you guys ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The following day.
Hi guys. I'm going for school run with this Molly. Come and say hello. Oof, let's go. See, give me steady, babe. Please pick it up. The sun is sunny, like so hot. Hi guys, I just got back from picking up baby girl from school, and I just shot a video, a mukbang video. It'll be going up soon, so I'm completing my mukbang video here. I'm having more and barium sulfate, Gary. So how you guys doing? How have your day? How has your day been? Great, I guess. I've had an uneventful day. My day was so uneventful. I spent the better part of today deleting things from my phone because tell me why somebody has 256 gig of phone space. I'm trying to do anything, my phone will be telling me full. And when I go and check, my gig space, I've used 255 of 256 gig. It's a miracle. iPhone is the real MVP because if it was Android, I know now, my phone would not dey hang. But this one, I still use my phone normal. In short, if not that, it tells me that I wouldn't even know like the amount of space. Guys, see what? Let me show you guys what I'm doing. It's my water. See. How do you guys like your curry? Do you like it very watery or you like it? This is how I like mine. So as I'm eating and as it's getting a little thicker, you know how curry does need to be rising. I'll just be adding more water. So yum. Yes, on Saturday, Daddy will take you.
Two days later.
Hi guys, good morning. How you guys doing? Hope you guys had a restful night. Please, don't mind this. I haven't tidied anyway. The place is kind of a mess. How you guys doing? See, I'm about having breakfast. This is pepper soup and yam on my very cold water, of course. I'll see you guys, okay, in course of my video. Bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away, as you fade away.
The very next evening.
Guys, I've packed up the zobo. This thing is very, I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's quite loud. Maybe I will have to do a voiceover. But I've packed up the kunoya and this one. I got 5 bottles, so I want to give my neighbor one. Okay, because she's always baking and giving me stuff. So let me give her